and pancreas all make bicarb soda. Maybe, because the phase 1, phase 2 liver detox pathways are working well. This is the minor pathways of the liver, not... Maybe if the liver's not working properly, we're not making enough bile. Bile works to make the gut, it's more really acidic, so it helps to break down things into those small particles like your fats and things. I suppose it's a lower digestion that will affect your pH anyway. Not sure. There could be the whole emotional liver side of things as well, actually, now that I think about it, because that will be about rage and anger, and when we're stressed and frustrated, that does make us more pH challenged. Okay, liver. And again, hold up. And hold. Beautiful. Now each time I ask about cancer, because I just want to make sure, but just once again for your peace of mind in relation to cancer and cancer propensity. Hold, 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 hold. And cancer and cancer propensity. Let me just check organs. There's nothing showing in any of the major systems of the body. Just a quick check. Okay, candida glabrata. Hold, 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 hold. Liver, kidneys. Right, so once again, candida glabrata is showing that the immune system has recognised it, but that the residue is messing with the liver and kidneys again. Hold, hold, not as bad. Hold, hold. Might be overworking, or it might be emotional. Like wanting to run away, something electrical. Okay, ESR, osmotic chakra, essence, cranial, chickpeas, tuning forks. In relation to the liver alone, or the liver and kidneys, the liver alone here. Okay, so in relation to the liver. And dealing with any and all emotional side effects of candida, any and all physical side effects of candida. Okay, for the tuning forks. Liver, coordinate number 1, and kidneys. Yeah, right. So it's a real angry energy that this is still going on, possibly how it started as well. So Elm, it's for people who are really, really strong and eventually you just fall apart. So, and it's also about that sense of yourself that when we've got health issues, and it's almost like we assume everyone in the whole world knows, which gives us it messes with our self-worth, self-esteem. Okay, so we're going to transcend. Which meridian do we do? Okay. Do both of them on both sides. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transcend my sense of insufficiency and my fatigue from attempting to live up to an ideal image of myself into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively accept myself as I am and incorporate my idealism in a realistic way. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my sense of insufficiency and my fatigue from attempting to live up to an ideal image of myself into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively accept myself as I am and incorporate my idealism in a realistic way. Once again, candida glabrata in relation to the kidney energy. And just this little one, hold, and hold, and hold, and hold, yeah. Kidney's about fear, threat, danger, liver's about rage and anger, frustration. There's another little strain of candida showing up, the Lusitano stream. Can be systemic. Oh, I think this is the first thing that's shown up in the immune system. Everything else has been saying, yep, this is causing a problem, but then going straight to the liver and kidneys. So this one, whether or not the SB or the ultraflora control or something is mobilising it at the moment, so the immune system's trying to keep up with it, but it's the first strain that's been part of this circuit so far as an active strain. See a strain of candida, and hold, 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 hold. Once again, any body, organs or tissues being messed with pH-wise. Now that one is messing with the circulation of the sex organs, so it's the first one that's had, I suppose the liver has a hormonal connection. Liver has to break down all our hormones. I'm slow sometimes. Yeah, I'll just chuck this here, so I'm going to do that wide muscle test on each side.
Yep.
Hold out for me. Okay. And hold out. Okay. toe it up? Yes, so right and both. Did you see the specialist yet, or is that next week?
That's next week. On Tuesday, unfortunately.
Yeah, no, I saw that in the afternoon. That's cool. Yeah, cool.
Looking forward to getting answers.
Exactly. So, once again, that's the body wanting to run away. So its escape submission freeze within the tissue of the sex organs. Chronic inflammation will do that. Okay, so through neurovascular points.